Hello, how you doing? Gonna fit a rear wiper motor today. So basically what tends to happen with this is the wiper motor comes on and you can hear this buzzing from the back. If you touch the rear wiper it does sort of work, but obviously there's something wrong inside the motor, so it's turned up to date. So we'll get this fitted. I probably won't time lapse this. I can show you how it's done, so if you ever wanted to do your own, then I'm hoping it's a relatively simple job. Oh, I haven't got enough hands. So I've just switched it on. Right, so instead of time lapsing it, I'll just go step by step, but I'll skip. I'm screwing this because that's going to make a long boring video. So 30mm, take it off. So this can be the hardest bit. So once you've taken that off, because this is unsplined, that can actually sort of stick. But if you give it a quick wiggle, they can come off. I have in the past had to force them off, luckily not causing any damage, but you just got to be careful, because if you force it and damage the screen, it's going to get expensive. So wipers off, and then you've got a screw in there on that side, and then this whole trim pulls down. One, two, and then this trim should just pull down. Normally you can get your hand behind here. You go just like that, easy. Pull. There's the motor. What I will do is take the cover off, try and see if there's anything in there that's caused it. My advice would be, if you do strip it to this, then the boot switch is common on these. So if you're finding the boot switch isn't working but is working off the key fob, what happens is water gets in there. I have replaced it already, and I will show you a quick clip of that. What you tend to find with these is that the inside of it goes all manky. None of that doesn't work. So once it starts going like that, then it won't work. And I think with the new one, and then you just splice in the new wiring. As so, easy. So I'll just take 3 10mm out. Wiper motor should just come out then. So that's the 3 10mm off, and then that just literally pulls out, and there we go. So let me take that off, try and see what's inside, see what's happened. So take all them Torx screws out. And then hopefully this cover should just pop off. Oh. So that's the inside. It's actually looking not too bad. I expected to see a little bit more than that. Anyway, it's not working. It's broke. Something's broke. Anyway, new one's going on. More time lapse the build up, because it's just that in reverse. So I'll just do that. So the other thing I noticed is that this is seized, well not seized, stuck or sticking. Probably because it's been broken for a while, but when this came back it was actually sitting off the screen. There's a bit of WD-40 in there, fixed.